Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can fork a repository on GitHub. Let's get started. First, open github.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, find the repository you want to fork. You can search for any public repository by using the search bar at the top of the page. After opening the repository, look for the fork button located at the top right corner next to the star button. Click on it, and GitHub will create a copy of that repository in your account. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Once the fork is created, you'll be redirected to the new forked repository page. Here, you can change the project name and description if you'd like. Finally, click the green Create Fork button. That's it. The forked repository will now appear under your repositories. From there, you can clone it to your computer and start making changes to the code. By following these steps, you can easily fork any repository on GitHub and start working on your own copy. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.